Hello and welcome, I'm NEJE 42 and in this episode I'm going to be talking about a cable holder. Okay, so I've seen these cable holders on Thingiverse a few times. I think I just glanced at them and went past. But then I thought that would be a pretty cool way to help manage the cables around my bed and around my PC. So I went onto Thingiverse and I actually downloaded the file for it and I printed it. And here is the print. Now, being a bit silly, I did actually forget to print a third one so I could show you guys. I didn't do this before I printed a third one, or before I stuck it to the wall. But I tried taking one of them off, and the pads that I have stuck it to the wall with are crazy strong. I don't even know how they are holding it to the wall so well. I'll try and find some information and post that in the description below as to what that is. But it's kind of like a white pad. And there were small strips of it, probably about a centimetre long by half a centimetre wide. I put 4 of them on the back of this cable holder, on both of them, the one by my bedside and by the computer, and I pushed it onto the wall. Right now I tried to remove it, it's very, very well stuck to the wall. So initially I was worried that it would probably de-stick itself at some point from the wall, because generally when you're sticking things together, unless you have some like proper serious glue, it never really sticks that well, in my experience anyway, and especially to walls. Usually if it has a bit of weight to it, or it's going to be moving about a bit more, then it's usually better to screw things on. In this circumstance, nope. it sticks to the wall very well. I use it every day now to hold the cable that holds my phone. They're both for my phone cables, just so that I can keep things off the floor and off of laying down on bedside tables or tables, just to try and keep things a little bit neater. I don't know why, but I think maybe I just don't like cables, so that's probably the reason why I keep getting these kind of cable managey kind of stuff. But yeah, if any of you have any other cool things that you can see on Thingiverse or any other website, do let me know in the description down below. Don't forget to subscribe. Let me think, follow me on Twitter, that's @NEJE42, and thanks for watching.